Hi folks, Martin Lehner here from Orange Technology, and I'm going to give you guys a brief introduction on what I'm doing here on YouTube. So a little bit of history. About a year ago, I ran into a website for Eli the Computer Guy. This is a YouTube personality who speaks about the real world of IT. Now I started watching Eli. And at that time, he was doing something called the Daily Blob Show. So he would do essentially a talk show every day about the real world of IT. So what's going on, what's new. He would have something that he would show. He would answer some questions. Great show. As I started watching more and more, he evolved and he actually started a blog called geekbraindump.com, and I'm going to show you guys what that is. If you give me a sec here. Okay, so this is what that website looked like. So this is basically a huge blog. You could sign up as an author and you could submit basically anything you want as long as it was IT related. So there's lots of things on here about training and cybersecurity and all that sort of thing. Now when this endeavor started, there was a lot of uptake. There was a lot of interest. There was a lot of traffic on the site. There was a lot of people posting. It was great, and that was good for a month or two or so. And then some of the traffic started to slide downhill. I know for myself, as somebody who provided a lot of content for the site, I got extremely busy with some projects over last summer. They were all at the same time. Basically, I didn't have enough time to post as much as I wanted anymore. It's probably what happened to a lot of other people as well. And very slowly, the traffic went down. And just recently, Eli has decided to make the website essentially historical. So you can't add anything new now. You can still view it all. It's all there, but you can't add anything. So anyways, I'll scroll back a little bit more. I started Orange Technology about 5 years ago. When I started it, I have a background in business administration. That's what I went to university for. I've worked in large organizations. I have experience there, but to be very honest, I did not have any experience in running an IT business. Now, a lot of people will say, well, if you know how to run business as a whole, then, you should understand that pretty much. And let me tell you, there are a lot of industries out there, IT being one of them, that are very unique. Just because you understand how to run a business doesn't mean you know how to run an IT shop. Certainly not. So when I first started this, I went out there, Google obviously, YouTube, and I started looking for business management advice specifically in the IT field. And there wasn't really a lot out there. There is some stuff out there. Eli, for example, he will give some advice related to the business side of IT, but a lot of that is also related to being an employee within the IT field. And for me specifically, I needed advice on being an IT business owner, not an employee somewhere else. So basically, now I've been thinking about this for a while, so I decided I would start a YouTube channel and post some videos about managing an IT business, how to run it successfully, everything from marketing to client relations to financials. Yeah, anything I can think of, I'm going to make a video on it. If you guys have any questions, you can email me. The link will be within the description of this video and any subsequent video. That said, it'll be info@Techinc.ca. That's also going to be the website address where all these videos will be, as well as, of course, on YouTube, and you can subscribe to the channel. That's pretty much it. I know some of you guys are going to wonder where exactly I am physically located, and I will show you guys that. So back to the website. So if we scroll out here, this is North America, right? Got the United States here. LA is down here. Vancouver, for those of you familiar with it, is up here. So I am from the Yukon. I'm from way up here, basically on the Canadian side of Alaska. Specifically, if we zoom in here, I live in the capital of the Yukon, so I'm in Whitehorse here. Juneau is down here. Skagway is over here, for those of you who are familiar with the area. So yeah. So I will certainly be providing a little bit of a northern perspective on the IT field. Some of the things that I post, you guys are probably going to laugh at and find amusing, but that's the whole point. So subscribe to the channel, send me an email if you have any questions, and I look forward to it.